Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. Hey, if you're new here, it's totally free. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto asset whatsoever. Got to do our own research. Anyways, let's get right onto it. So, Jasmy Coin is back up to no, excuse me, Jasmy Coin. Um, let's talk about what what recently happened the other day. We pumped all the way up close to 2 cents, and then after that, it just came. It seemed like Jasmine crashed down. When it came down, but like a lot of people were saying, that was a good pullback, but it pulled back like altogether. It went down about 25, 26%. Let me see here. But the good part is it's still holding that support at a penny. That's the good part about it. It's still holding at a penny. So we're gonna see what happens over the next couple of days. So maybe we could see a rebound this weekend because technically now it's crypto weekend. The stock market is closed, so we got the crypto weekend here. Um, so yeah, there's been a lot of people just confused of what's going on. There was a lot of FOMO buying at a penny. If you bought at the high pennies, if you would have bought Jasmine right before it had hit two, close to 2 cents, obviously you're down tremendously depending how much money you put in. But people, luckily, like me, who got in before, it hit a penny. We're still up a little bit, but when I was up, when Jasmine hit close to 2 cents, obviously, I didn't sell. I decided, I'm not selling right now. Obviously, I'm not up, much as I was when we was close to 2 cents, obviously, but I'm still somewhat a little bit up with the Jasmine position because, people who's been already in Jasmine, we didn't really, FOMO buy in, but a lot of people come into crypto like Jasmine, they see the popularity and all that, they come in, they get in at about like Jasmine did when it hit a penny, and then it goes down, but they're not realizing they don't even know like what Jasmine's really about, the whole roadmap. They probably didn't even do the research on the project. They were just piggybacking, because they was hearing about it. But if you really research Jasmine, you know what the project is about. Especially for us long-term holders, we know what we're holding for. We wasn't holding Jasmine for just for a short-term, quick swing trade. We're holding this, you know, all the way up until going into 2024. We're holding this for financial freedom. So a lot of newbies came in, I guess, was trying to just make a quick buck. But and people who's been holding Jasmine for like over a year and a half, whatever, 2 years, been stacking our bags. They just don't understand what why we here for. But anyways, we're like we're a real community here, with Jasmine. But yeah, anyways, right now coin market cap is showing 0.01253. So yeah, the fact that we're still holding support at a penny is it's really good. When I look at Jasmine, it could have dipped 30 to 40%. All we know, it could have dipped like that far. We could have been back at all we know. We could have been back at point zero zero like 88 or 89 or 85. You know what I mean? When you think about it, or back in the 90s, we could have easily dipped back into the 90s at point zero zero 95, 96, 97, whatever. But the fact that we're still holding at a penny is a good sign, which means it's gonna consolidate. And then next time when Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin, uh, Bitcoin dipped all the way back down to 50K. So Bitcoin went from 52K, all the way back down to 50K, down about 2,500. If Bitcoin can show another pump this weekend, or if it can, Ethereum go back up over, close to 3K, over 3K, then the Bitcoin, I'm hoping maybe the next major pump for Bitcoin, it can get up to maybe 53 to 55K. That'll be a good sign. And Jasmine will definitely pump. Again, we could possibly get up to like 3 4 cents, maybe five. But yeah, you also got to look at the fact that Bitcoin um, pull back as well. Bitcoin and ETH pull back as well. So you got to know whenever they pull back, especially Bitcoin, Jasmine's going to pull back even harder. So I think altogether went down about 27%. Um, for the one day. Let me see here. Okay, this thing is acting up. Okay. Right now it says we're down 20%, but we was down up to 27%, but we kind of pulled up a little bit. I'm looking at the 1 hour. We're down 3.1% in the 1 hour. Uh, Here 98% for the week now. The month 153. So yeah, right now our market cap, we're at 617 million market cap. It's just amazing that Jasmine got close to a billion market cap when we almost hit 2 cents. So eventually we will hit 2 cents. But like I said, when we do hit 2 cents, we're gonna finally be at a billion market cap, and we're still top 100 crypto. But if you look, a lot of cryptos pull back that pump. Jasmine's not the only crypto that pumped, and then all of a sudden pull back. So everybody who know crypto knows how this works. Look at Ocean 11. Excuse me, I said Ocean 11. Ocean Protocol went down. It's down 11%. Zeta's down 12. So whenever you get these fast big pumps, you gotta know you're gonna get a decent pullback. But I could have easily took profits. Where we was at one, 0.019. I could have took profits when we got close to 2 cents, but I didn't. Just like everybody else, I figured maybe we're gonna hit 2 cents. I honestly thought we were gonna hit 2 cents, but it happens. Things don't go as planned. I didn't take profit. Of course, yeah, I think I was up about 4 grand at one point, but I'm still up in the play a little bit. But I'm holding, my big bag of Jasmine. But yeah, I just feel bad for the people who FOMOed in a little late. Now they're down. Hey, it is what it is. Now what you can do now, instead of panic, the worst thing you can do is panic sell, and then next thing you know it, a couple of days later maybe it starts to pump again, and then you'll be like, damn, I panicked sold. I could have just stayed in the plane, just dollar cost average in, and I could have been back up, or I could have broke even. But that's how crypto works. It happened to all of us, especially people coming into crypto. They don't know crypto, how it works. They just don't understand it. This is not, I'm gonna tell you, this is not for everybody. It's definitely not for everybody. This is really for people who's educated about how the crypto market works, and this is for people who really understand how this game works. We're crypto. We all get burned sometimes. I've been burned plenty of times with crypto, but I learned my lesson. But I know, Jasmine, I'm definitely not going to panic sell. The fact that we're still holding, if you know crypto, the fact that we're still holding at a penny is actually a good sign. Like I said, this thing could have dumped back into the 90s or the 80s, but I'm just looking at the bigger picture. Looking at the bigger picture with Jasmine is that, yeah, we went down after we hit almost 2 cents. We tanked about 26, 27%. Yeah, that's how the market goes. But you got to look at that 1 month chart. You look at that 1 month chart. Be glad it didn't dip about 30 to 40%. Because look, it came from 48% of a penny all the way close to 2 cents. Look how it pumped over the last month. So yeah, so I'm thinking, so that pullback that we recently got with Jasmine, honestly, that was normal, but I would have thought it would have hit 2 cents, but it did. We did get close to 2 cents, you know how it is, but never get greedy in this game. Like, yes, I could have took profits and then you waited for it to come back down and then bought back in, but I chose not to because hey, it's crypto. You never know what can happen sometimes. What if I would have took profits where I did when it was close to 2 cents? What if I did would have took some profits off the table and then it just kept pumping? It would have pumped to 2 to 3 cents. Then I would have been kicking myself in the ass. Crypto is one of those things. Sometimes I've learned about crypto. Damn if you do, damn if you don't. This is this game. It's the game with crypto. It's like that sometimes. Damn if you do, damn if you don't. Like I said, I didn't take profit. But what if I did take profit, but then it just kept pumping? Then I would have kicked myself in the ass. But it happens with crypto. It's just a game. I've become accustomed to it. I'm immune to it. I'm used to it. That's how it goes in crypto. But the key is to get in early. Try to get in. Like right now, Jasmine went down what 25, 26% after that big pump. Now this is actually people who want to get in Jasmine now. Hey, not financial advice, but if I was a newbie, whatever, this would be the time to get into Jasmine now at dollar cost average. Because all we know, we're holding support at a penny. Uh, I do know we're not guaranteed to hold a penny, but hey, I'm telling you, but we're also not guaranteed to dip back below a penny. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. You know, that's the reason they say DCAN, especially when it's red. They say the best time to buy crypto is when it's in the red, not as when not when it's in the green. That's actually the best time to play. So a lot of people was chasing that green counter with Jasmine. They saw that it was up tremendously. So, oh yes, get in. There was a lot of new YouTubers talking about Jasmine. Who wasn't talking about Jasmine. So a lot of this is where where the dumb money comes in, then you got, the FOMO buying or the dumb money coming in now chasing the green candle, but they didn't realize the best time to get into Jasmy was before it pumped. The best time to get into Jasmy was back like when it was in the 50% of a penny, 60% of a penny, even 70, 80, 90% of a penny before it had hit a dollar. That's the point. That was the best time to get into Jasmy was what was before it had got up to a penny. Then people start FOMOing in. Like I said, I was watching a YouTuber. He even admitted, yeah, he bought it at a penny. He wasn't even admitting that he was taking a risk, FOMOing in at a penny. But like I said, we all know Jasmine hitting a penny. That was a crucial price point for it to hit a penny. Now it's like I said, it may sit there for linger at a penny. We're going to see how long it lingers at a penny. We're going to see where we go from here. Whether we're going to dip back below a penny or from here if it's going to consolidate and keep go, head up to like 2 cents. But we'll see. Um, but one thing I'll say for sure, keep a close lookout on Bitcoin because it's also going to follow the direction of Bitcoin as well. Well, we got to watch Bitcoin closely. We got to see if Bitcoin is going to pump back over 52, hopefully get up to 53K. I don't think Bitcoin hit 53K yet. Just got close, but now we need Bitcoin now to do a pump. Maybe it can get up to like I said, 53, 54. 55K. Let's see. Let's see if Bitcoin can get up there now, and then we definitely going to see another pump with Jasmy. But anyways, let's see what happens over the next 24 to 48 hours. But like I said, hey, I'm still holding strong. Like I said, I'm shooting for financial freedom. I'm looking at the bigger picture here. I'm not looking at some short term stuff. I'm looking at the bigger picture. I'm looking at when this thing hit 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents eventually. That's when the big money's going to start coming in. Once we hit those prices, like 4 or 5 cents, 6 cents, all the way up to like 10 cents. By then, the big money is going to be coming in. You know, um, People who's really holding big bags of Jasmy is going to start making that life changing money. But anyways, that's my take on Jasmy. Please go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button. Also, if you want to become a channel member, you can get the cheapest subscription. We'll be releasing some private content tonight on my channel where you can get on there. You can see my portfolio. I explain what I'm doing, how I'm going to eventually have an exit plan because you definitely got to have long term. You definitely got to have an exit plan in a bull run. The worst thing you do is just hold on to a position and don't have an exit plan, and then the thing come crashing down because you never had an exit plan. But anyways, guys, that is my take. I hope this video was useful. Like I said, please get this video to about between 30 to 40 likes so that it just helps the channel, it helps the algorithm gets out there. But anyways, hope everybody enjoyed the rest of your Friday. I will see you guys in the next video and see you guys soon. Hey, let's go, Jasmine. Take care.